this is Sarah from Jotform. In this video, I'll show you how to customize your appointment availability using flexible weekly intervals and lunch break settings. Start by opening your prepared form from your workspace. Click the gear icon on the appointment field to open its properties. Go to the Availability tab. Under the Intervals section, select the day of the week you want to accept appointments. Set the specific start and end times for each selected day. These intervals will automatically repeat every week based on your chosen schedule. You can create multiple time blocks, for example, morning and afternoon sessions. If you'd like, enable Lunchtime to block off a break during the day. Once Lunchtime is enabled, appointments cannot be scheduled during that time window. When you're done adjusting your availability, click Preview Form. Your calendar will now only show the intervals and times you've defined. And that's it! Your booking schedule now reflects your real weekly availability. Thanks for watching! Explore more Jotform appointment features, and we'll see you in the next video.